We've updated Template in a Weekend and expanded it to include nearly 5 hours of Logic-specific video tutorials. You'll now see how to build small templates, right the way up to ones constructed with slave computers, all using Logic as well as Cubase. Template in a Weekend will show you how to create a professional, orchestral template in just a few days.
This is great news!
So you can spend less time tinkering around in your DAW and more time actually composing.
Now you've got a number of choices, but this is a good one. Clear output selection and create one individual channel for each loaded instrument. It's going to do a whole load of work for you.
It's presented by award-winning film and television composer Guy Mitchellmore. 11 hours of video tutorials covering Cubase and Logic take you step by step through the initial stages of mapping the build, right through to putting it together. There are also units on how to balance your template for a more realistic sound, the best approaches to routing audio inside your DAW, as well as more advanced topics like how to get started with a host-slave setup.
So it's currently using 258 megabytes of RAM, so we need to repurge it down to nothing.
With Template in a Weekend, we lead you through the whole process in a simple and structured way. We're with you at every step. A comprehensive course text will fill in the details, including a full list of exactly what instruments went into our example template, and how you can produce a professional orchestral sound using a lot less gear than you would have imagined. Whether you've got countless sample libraries or you're just getting started, we have a solution for you. And the best news? At a super low price, there's never been a better and more affordable way to get on board with us here at ThinkSpace. So what are you waiting for? Let us sort out your template so that you can start writing. Template in a Weekend, from ThinkSpace.